Rule 113, arrest. Rule 113 has 14 sections and section 1 is about the definition of arrest. Wala pa naman akong nakikitang exam na nagtatanong kung ano ang ibig sabihin or asking for the definition of arrest. Section 2 is about how you make an arrest. There are two ways. Section 3 is the duty of arresting officer. Just take note that the person arrested should be delivered to the nearest police station or to the nearest jail. Section 4, you can use your Section 4 to differentiate a warrant of arrest from your search warrant. Tinatanong sa bar exams kahit sa midterms or finals. Section 5 is very, very important because the general rule is you cannot arrest a person without a warrant of arrest. But Section 5 is telling us that you can also arrest a person even if there is no warrant of arrest. And Section 5 provides for the exceptions. Arrest without warrant, when is it lawful? Section 6, you can use your Section 6 to differentiate warrant of arrest from search warrant, the time of making arrest. Section 7, Section 8, and Section 9 tells us that the arresting a person can be made not only by an officer authorized by law, but it can also be effected by a private person. And from Section 7 to Section 9, from Section 7 to Section 9, it tells us the method of arrest. If he is a public person or if he is an officer authorized by law rather, what is the method? Or if he is a private person, what is the method? Section 10 tells us that officer can ask for the help of as many persons as possible to effect the arrest. Officer may summon assistance. Section 11 and Section 12 tells us that an officer, if he is making a lawful arrest, he has that right to break into building or enclosure. And since he has that right to break into buildings or enclosure, he also has that right to break out from building or enclosure. Section 13, a person is allowed to arrest a person even without a warrant of arrest after that person escapes or is being rescued. And Section 14 is what happened to the lawyer of the Digamo case, yung sa mastermind. He was questioning his right to visit person arrested, the right of attorney or relative to visit person arrested.